Good morning. My name is Wade Brackenberry. I'm a chiropractor. I practice in Vietnam. I've been a lifelong athlete. Right now I'm here in my parents' house in Fairfield, Idaho, and I've just unboxed my X3, an exercise device innovated by Dr. John Jaquish. I hope I'm saying his name right. And I've just finished his book. Weightlifting is a waste of time, and so is cardio. Very bold and very disruptive statement. However, I was very impressed with his book, and I've decided to give his exercise regime a go. I'm very compelled by Dr. John's system because it's based entirely on rubber bands, which don't weigh very much. And I travel a lot. I plan to travel a lot more in the coming future, and I would really like to have a program that I can just take anywhere I go. So let's start. Here's the box it comes in. It's not really that light, I think, because there's some metal involved. I'm guessing this is the barbell. It's security sealed. I'm not sure why, but I'm gonna open it up. And okay, there it is. Has kind of the feel of a standard Olympic barbell. And I've read the book, so I know why it's really not that long. He has a lot of ideas on why a bar should just be at maximum shoulder width apart. So getting ready to test all those theories. Okay. And I guess this is the base. This is a solid metal base which will support the rubber bands. And as most of you who've ever tried to use rubber bands in training know that the way the bands fit underneath your feet, etc., are usually some of the limiting factors. And so this should be very interesting in that it holds the band very stable and allows the band to work off a stable platform. So getting ready to try that. Here's the rubber bands themselves, and this is the largest one that comes with the package. And this is one of the smaller ones. And I've also purchased the Elite Band, which is huge. And I've watched Dr. John work out with this, and it's very impressive. So I'm quite excited to see if I'll even be able to do anything with this to start with. As I mentioned, I purposely not worked out for about 2 months now, so I'm relatively deconditioned. And so it's gonna be fun to do some before and after photography and see if this actually can approximate weightlifting, or as Dr. John says, if it can be better than weightlifting for producing muscle mass and conditioning. Okay?